honored to introduce a remarkable personality whose achievements in the field of solid-state physics have earned her both national and international recognition. She is the recipient of prestigious UGC Research Award, the MRSI Medal, and has been a guiding light as the Vice Chancellor of Deen Dayal Upadhyay University. Her pioneering research, dedication to science, and tireless efforts in nurturing young minds make her a true inspiration for all of us.
Please join us in extending a warm and heavy and heartily welcome to our esteemed guest, Professor Poonam Tandon, as she shares her presence today on this occasion. Now let's honor the dedicated members who have strengthened our school over the past 25 years. For 25 remarkable years, Mrs. Manjulika has been a pillar of commitment, compassion and consistency. She has grown with the school and helped the school to grow with her. We invite Mrs. Manjulika ma'am to please come upon the stage. Give a warm round of applause for ma'am. With 2 decades of heartfelt service, Mrs. Vandana Salwani has shaped countless moments of care and support. Her presence has been a gift to our school family. Give a warm round of applause for her. For 20 dedicated years, Ma'am Shraddha Bhatia has brought sincerity, warmth and hard work to every task. We invite her today. Please give a warm round of applause for her. Mrs. Shalini, she is the head of helpers, the guiding strength behind the team, always steady and always dependable. Her dedication keeps our school running smoothly every single day. Keep on clapping. Dear audience, give a warm round of applause for Mrs. Shalini. Dear audience, give them a huge round of applause. Please join me in extending a warm and hearty welcome to our esteemed guest, Professor Poonam Tandon, as she shares her thoughts with us on this special occasion. I would like to invite ma'am to share her golden words. Please give ma'am a warm round of applause.
Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to extend my thanks to the school officials for inviting me to be with you on this very emotional moment when the school is completing 25 years of long journey, and the dear managers or mentors of the school, the teachers of the school, and the dear students and the parents who are here for this today's memorable day that the school is celebrating the silver jubilee of its long journey. And I think there are some teachers are felicitated, and they are really the pillars of this pillar. So many of you are the pillars of this pillar, and really when you call the school, the name of the school is really very good. You are calling it as pillar. And the schools and the higher education institution or the schools are really the pillars of the society, because the entire base of the youth, they are the one who support our students, and they build the foundation stone of their lives. And it is really very emotional moment for me as well. When I come to such functions of a school, I remember my school days. I go back to my school days, and I think those days are the most memorable day for everyone. सबसे ज़्यादा जो दिन आप याद रखेंगे, शायद बाद में जाके लाइफ के मोमेंट कम याद रहें, लेकिन ये जो मोमेंट्स स्कूल के होते हैं और जो स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, वो लाइफ में यू कैन नॉट फॉरगेट देम, एंड दीज आर द वेरी मेमोरेबल मोमेंट. एंड आई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट टू द लीडर्स who are the officials of the school and who have very strong vision to establish the school, and they are running the school in such a way. And also I would like to congratulate to the parents for supporting your children so that they can make their dream true and they can become the pillars of the society. And then I would like to congratulate to the teachers and thank to the teachers who are working very hard with these students with full dedication. And today I was so happy to see that you have started your program with traditional dances. Okay, Vandana and traditional dances, and also the I think Vinayak was showing the glimpse of your journey, long journey of maybe not only a few years but the 50 years when the school has foundation from the Dr. H.P. Sahi. And I also came to know that Mr. Sahi was also associated with the establishment of our university, which is completing now 75 years this time. So it is really shows that the education culture was initiated by your group in Gorakhpur, and your contribution to the Gorakhpur to make the Gorakhpur be Gorakhpur today. What you have the Gorakhpur from transformation to a rural urban city to a urban city, which is now emerging as a educational hub of Purvanchal, not only of Purvanchal but entire Uttar Pradesh. So many schools are here, very prestigious schools, and the students are doing so well in every field, ranging from medical to the engineering and every field. Like I was so happy to see that the students are in the medical and many of them are in the engineering and different fields. So basically they are your brand ambassador. And once again I remind all the students, because you are the one who are the brand ambassador of any institution, to carry forward this tradition. Because the schools or any educational institution is not only known for the study they impart on you, but also known for the traditions they carry. Every school has some peculiar tradition, and the students who come out from these schools or institutions, they carry these traditions in their behavior, in their culture, and everything. So this contribution of the school is not only imparting education, but also the curving your life and your I will say the way you interact with people, the way you think about society, and the way you contribute to the society. And all your thinking is also affected by your educational institution. And right now, when the government is talking about, or our Honorable Prime Minister is talking about the Viksit Bharat 2047, so you are the one who will be there when 2047 will come. I don't know whether we will be there or not. So your role will be very, very important in the making the Bharat as a Viksit Bharat, and as Viksit as any other developed country. And now I see that the country is also moving in right direction. The way our students are performing in India, not only in India, but also in different countries, and any countries cannot ignore our students. The countries who are ignoring our students, they will surely face the effect of that at the cost of their development in future. And there are many more options for us. Now I will say that there is an open world for you now in India as well as in other countries, because I don't consider the global boundaries. You can make your dream true wherever you like to go, and there are many options. Only thing is your education should be supported with your innovation and the original thinking. That is what is required today. That is the need of the day. Now there are many technological transformation going on in every area, and what next will come up we cannot predict today. And only thing is the only thing that can take you forward That is your hard work and your innovation. And once again, I will not speak very long as you are waiting for your performance, next performance. Once again, I wish you all the best for your journey, 25-year long journey, and on this Silver Jubilee celebrations. And just briefly, I would like to talk few things about our university. Like we are celebrating the Diamond Jubilee years, and our university is the first university which was established after independence in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, most of the universities like University of Allahabad, University of Lucknow and BHU, they all were established by British, like in the British era, and we, like Gorakhpur University was the first university, which is, I will say, the University of Independent India, and now we have a 75-year long journey, and we are now doing many more things. I think every day you must be reading through the newspaper. Now we are the part of the most of the prestigious ranking because now our students are aware of these facts. We are the part of Times Higher Education ranking, QS World ranking, and any of the good ranking you can think, we are the part of that. And we have started many courses, many other performance by our students. Once again, I wish you all the best on the occasion of this Silver Jubilee year. Thank you very much.